Kam Meghalaya bat ka Assam mentaka Sngi ka arp kan datrik ulber arajar arpu ar. Kale Asoi ka jinge te kular na kam ta ka jinge Pynbeit Pud ya ki hendo tuli ki jaka ki bana preng ka jinge ka jaha preng ki art li ki jila ka balane matala san posnem. Ya kan ki jinge Asoi Soskular le Asoi preng konrat sangma umri na ba ka jala Meghalaya bat umri na ba ka Assam uhamata biswa sarma rengkat ka jadan lang umri kobari jikari India wa Amit Shah. Haba jingka hadi meradap kendi kajing Asoi Soskular umur dirang ba kajala ukon rasang ma ulaong ba kendi kedai kalenti na kabanta man pois ja kajing Pynbeit Pud kabane serta apa yang kini ki artli ki jala ulaong ba RiKhasi wan Sah Kynmaw na hadin san posnem layo punya Pynbeit yo Pud usam apa yang kini ki artli ki jala ki wajan marjan.
It's a historic day for the people of Meghalaya and Assam both, and for the northeast region as a whole, because the 50-year-long dispute which has been there and the areas of differences which have been there, we have taken a major step towards finding a permanent solution to those problems. And we have signed today, agreed on 6 locations based on the MOU that was signed between Assam and Meghalaya on the 29th of January. And we will continue to work to finding solutions to the next 6 locations in the areas of differences that are there. At this point in time, I would like to thank our Honorable Home Minister for his guidance and for his leadership. It was on his direction that both the state governments came together and took this matter up in a very serious manner. And so I thank him. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam for all the work that has been done from Assam government side. I also would like to thank all the regional committee members who have played a very important role in making this entire thing possible, and all the officials who have worked very hard to come to this conclusion. And this would not have been possible without the hard work that has been put up by the committee members of both the states as well as the officials from both the states. So it's indeed a very historic day, and this is the best solution, as I said, that we have come up with. And we're hopeful that we'll be able to further work on the rest of the 6 areas of differences and come to a solution on those areas also in a very limited time. We will try to do our best to find a solution the fastest.